So if A, B, C are in geometrical progression, then the common ratio B by A is equal to C by B. Whenever the bases are same, then the powers are also equal according to law of indices. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 6. According to law of indices, if the bases are same, then the powers are also equal. So sum of n terms Sn is equal to A into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, in my previous class, we have discussed regarding the nth term of a geometrical progression and finding the sum of n terms of a GP. Now, today I will take few more problems based on that and also to find the nth term of an infinite series. Okay. Now, let us come to the first problem. Now, what is the problem given? If 5 by 2, k, 10 are in geometrical progression, then find the value of k. So, this is given, this is already in GP. 5 by 2, k and 10 are in geometrical progression. Then what is required to find is the value of k. Now, see, you know this formula. If A, B, C are in geometrical progression, so according to the definition, the common ratio is same. So the common ratio is second term divided by the first term or third term divided by the second term. Any term divided by its previous term will give the common ratio. So if A, B, C are in geometrical progression, then the common ratio B by A is equal to C by B. Now if you cross multiply, what you will get? B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to A into C. Now here these are the terms. This is A, comma, B, comma, C. A is equal to k by 2, 5 by 2, B is equal to k and C is equal to 10. So use this formula using B square is equal to A into C. What is B here? K square is equal to A. What is A? 5 by 2 into what is C? It is 10. 2 5s gets cancelled. K square is equal to 5 5s 25. Therefore, k is equal to square of 25 is plus or minus 5. K is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay. Now, you can take k, the value of k. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus 5. That's it. Very simple for 2 more. See, since A, B, C are in geometrical progression, therefore, B square is equal to A into C. What is B? K square is equal to A is 5 by 2 and C is equal to 10. 2 5s gets cancelled, 5 5s 25, square of 25 is 5, therefore k is equal to plus or minus 5, that's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Now find the sum of infinity of GP, sum of infinite terms. Suppose if A is the first term and R is the common ratio, then the sum of infinite terms, sum S infinity is given by A by 1 minus R. So this is a formula which we are going to use to find the sum of infinite GP. Okay. Now, here what is the problem given? Here find the sum to infinite terms of a GP. A is equal to 1 or the common ratio 1 by 2 divided by 1 is 1 by 2, or even if you want to verify 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, that's also equal to 1 by 2. So R is equal to 1 by 2 and A is equal to 1. So sum to infinity, S infinity is nothing but what is the formula? A divided by 1 minus R. What is A? A is 1 divided by 1 minus, what is R? R is equal to 1 by 2. 1 divided by, just take LCM, 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 divided by 1 by 2, that's equal to 2. So therefore, S infinity is equal to 2. That's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. Find the sum to infinite GP. Same formula we are going to use. What is the formula here? S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Now, what is the first term? A is equal to 3 and the common ratio 1 divided by 3. Or if you go for the second, 1 divided by 3 divided by 1, that's also equal to 1 by 3. So, R is equal to 1 by 3. So, S infinity is given by A. A is 3 divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 3. So, 3 divided by, take LCM, 3 is LCM, 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 3 divided by 2 by 3, that is nothing but 3 divided by, reciprocate it, this goes to the numerator, 3 by 2, multiplied 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. So therefore, S infinite is equal to 9 by 2. This is the required answer. That's it. See here. So A is 3 divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 3. 3 divided by 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 3 divided by 2, it goes to the numerator, reciprocated. 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. Sum of infinite terms of this given sequence is 9 by 2. That's it. Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. Which element of the GP 4, 6, 18 by 2, etc. is 81 by 4? So here this geometrical progression is given. What is required to find is n. That's all. Now what is A here? Given A is equal to 4 and the common ratio R is equal to 6 divided by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. If you consider 18 by 2, 18 by 2 is nothing but 9 divided by 6. Then also the common ratio is 3 3s are 3 2s are. Same, 3 by 2 is the common ratio. And n is to be determined. Tn is given. The nth term Tn is equal to 81 divided by 4. This is given. Now just find out the nth term. Here Tn is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. Nth term of a geometrical progression is ar to the power of n minus 1. What is the nth term? Tn is equal to 81 by 4 into A is 4, into R is 3 by 2, whole to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Now simplify this. That's it. Now 81 by 4 is equal to 4 times 3 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. Just bring this to the denominator. 81 divided by 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. Now convert this 81 by 16, as 81 can be written as 81 is nothing but 3 cube, 3 to the power of 4. So 3 3s are, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 27, 3 is 81. So similarly 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. So 81 by 16 can be written as 3 divided by 2 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. See, 3 to the power of 4, 3 raised to 4 is 81. 2 to the power of 4 is also equal to 16. So 81 by 16 can be written as 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4. And the right hand side 3 by 2 whole raised to n minus 1. According to law of indices, if the bases are same, then the powers are also equal. So 4 is equal to n minus 1. Transfer minus 1 to left hand side, 4 plus 1 is equal to n. So therefore n is equal to 5. The number of terms are 5. The fifth term is 81 by 4. That's it. So here n is equal to 5. The required answer is 5. That's it. Okay. Let us come to the next problem. So which element of the GP 5, 10, 20, etc. is 80? So this is also same as that of the previous problem. What is given here? The first term is given. A is equal to 5 and the common ratio R is equal to 10 divided by 5 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is also equal to 2. And the nth term is given. Tn is equal to 80. What is required to find is same. As usual, n is to be determined. So we know the nth term of a GP. Nth term of a geometrical progression is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. What is the nth term? 80 is equal to A. What is A? 5 into R. What is R? 2 to the power of n minus 1. Bring this to the denominator. 80 by 5 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Divide it. That's it. Now what is 80 by 5? 80 by 5 is nothing but 16. 16 5s are 80. 16 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Now what is 16? 16 can also be written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. So this is 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Again same according to law of indices. A to the power of m is equal to a raised to n means here the bases are same. Here whenever the bases are same, so the powers are also equal here. The 4 is equal to n minus 1. Transfer this. 4 plus 1 is equal to n. So therefore n is also equal to 5. Here also the answer is 5. The fifth term is 80. That's it. Okay. Same as that of the previous problem. Right. Just find out n by substituting the value of a r in the nth term. Tn is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. 80 by 5 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. 80 by 5 is 16. 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So 4 is equal to n minus 1. 4 plus 1 is n. n is equal to 5 is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Let us come to the next problem. How many terms of the GP 139 etc. will amount 364? Now same here the value of n is to be determined. So how many terms? So the number of terms is to be determined, so that 139 etc. will amount to 364. Now what is given here? Given the first term a is equal to 1 and the common ratio r is equal to 3 by 1 is equal to 3. 9 by 3 is also equal to 3 and n is to be determined. So here will amount to 2, that is sum of the sequence is given, sum of the nth term, sum Sn is given, Sn is equal to 364. In the previous problem Tn is given, here Sn is given, that's the difference, that's it. Now here since r is greater than 1, so therefore sum of n terms Sn is equal to, so Sn can also be written as so a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. So sum of n terms Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now the nth term of a geometrical progression is Sn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. Now substitute the value of a. So Sn is given, Sn is equal to 364 is equal to a. What is a? A is 1 here, r is 3, common ratio is 3 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So 364 is equal to, this is 3 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Cross multiplied. 364 into 2 is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. Now 364 into 2, simplify this. So this is nothing but 364. 2 4s are 8, 6 2s are 12 and 3 3s are 6 plus 1 7. This is equal to 728. 728 is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Transfers minus 1 to the left hand side. 328 plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of n. So 3 to the power of n is equal to 729. 729 can be written as 3 to the power of 6. 3 into 3 into 3, if you multiply 6 times, you will get 729. So therefore the value of n is equal to 6. Whenever the bases are same, then powers are also equal. Therefore n is equal to 6 is the required answer. That's it. Okay. Now listen to me here. So Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Sn is given 364 is equal to 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 1 by r is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, cross multiply. 364 into 2 is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. 364 into 2 is 728. 728 is equal to 3 power n minus 1. Transfer minus 1 to the left hand side. 728 plus 1 is 729. 729 can also be written as 3 to the power of 6. So bases gets cancelled, therefore n is equal to 6. Whenever the bases are same, then the powers are also equal according to law of indices. Therefore the value of n is equal to 6. So sixth term will amount 364 for this given geometrical progression. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. How many terms of the GP 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 over 8 etc. will amount to 31 by 22? Same, this is also same as that of the previous problem. What is given? A is given, A is 1 by 2 and the ratio, common ratio r is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, that's equal to 1 by 2, and the Sn is given by 31 divided by 32. Okay, 31 divided by 32, and what is required to find is n question mark. Since this r is less than 1, so if r is less than 1, then the nth term, sum of n terms Sn is equal to the formula which we are going to use for sum of n terms of a GP when r is less than 1 is a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Now substitute the value. What is Sn given? Sn is equal to, nth term is 31 by 32 is equal to a. A is 1 by 2 into 1 minus r. What is r? R is also equal to 1 by 2. R is also equal to 1 by 2 whole to the power of n divided by 1 minus, what is r? R is also equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 31 by 32 is equal to 1 by 2 into, this is same, 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 gets cancelled. What is left over is here 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. 31 divided by 32 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. Just transfer this, minus becomes plus. 1 by 2 whole raised to 1 is equal to 1 minus 31 by 32. Now take LCM. This is 1 by 2 to the power of n is equal to 32 is LCM. 32 once 32 minus 1 is 1 by 32. So 1 by 2 to the power of n can also be written as 1 over 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. This can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 5. Okay. 1 by 2 to the power of 5. 1 by 2 to the power of n is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 5. 1 by 2 to the power of 5 means 5. If you multiply 2, 5 times 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So bases are same, therefore the powers are also equal, therefore n is equal to 5. The fifth term is 31 by 32. That's it. Very simple problem. This is also. See here the formula is different. Since r is less than 1, we are going to consider the nth term of a GP as a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. A is 1 by 2, 1 minus r is 1 by 2 whole raised to n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of n. Just this can also be written as, interchange this, 31 by 32 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of n. Interchange this, 1 by 2 to the power of n is equal to 1 minus 31 by 32. Take LCM. 32 ones are 32 minus 1, 31 is 1 by 32. 1 by 32 is also equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 5. So bases are same, therefore n is equal to 5. The fifth term of the given geometrical progression is 31 by 32. That's it. Hope you followed. These are the two different problems based on r is less than 1 and r is greater than 1. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Very important problem. This is very important for 5 marks. This is a 5 marks question. Find the third and fifth element. The third term and the fifth term of the geometrical progression are 3 and 27. Find the eighth element. T8 is to be determined. So what is given here? Given the third means T3, the third term is equal to, and the fifth term T5 is equal to 27. Then what is to find is T8 is to be determined. Now we know what is the formula for nth term. Tn is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. Since here given the third term T3 is equal to 3 means ar to the power of a into r to the power of n. 3 minus 1 is 3 means ar square is equal to 3. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Similarly, T5 is equal to 27 means ar to the power of 5 minus 1 is 27. So ar to the power of 4 is equal to 27. Let us represent this as equation number 2. ar square is 3 and ar to the power of 4 is 27. Divide 2 by 1. Just 2 by 1 gives. Divide it. 2 by 1 gives. What is equation number 2? Left hand side ar to the power of 4. On the right hand, left hand side of equation number 2 is ar square. Divide 2 by 1. Left hand side is ar to the power of 4. Here left hand side is ar square. Div is equal to 27 by 3. This is 27 divided by 3. So a gets cancelled on r square gets cancelled. 27 by 3 is nothing but 9. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. R is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay. Now, if we consider r is equal to 3, then when r is equal to 3 and then find out the value of a, then a is equal to, from any one of these two equations, from ar square is equal to 3, that is from equation number 1. So a into r square, 3 square is equal to 3, a is equal to 3 divided by 9, that's equal to 1 by 3, a is equal to 1 by 3. So the nth term Tn is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1, put n is equal to 8, T8 is equal to a is 1 by 3 into r. What is r? R is equal to 3. to the power of 8 minus 1. 1 over 3 into 3 to the power of 7. So 1 3 3 gets cancelled. This is equal to 3 to the power of 6. Okay. So this is nothing but 729. That's it. So the 8th term is 729. See here. So when r is equal to 3, just substitute, you will get the value of a. To find the 8th term, Tn is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. T8 is 1 by 3. 3 to the power of 8 minus 1 is 3 power 7. 1 3 3 gets cancelled. 3 power 6 is 729. So the 8th term of the given sequence is 729. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. The third element of the GP, third element is twice the second. T3 is equal to 2 times T2. That's it. And the fifth element is 32. So given that the third element T3 is equal to is twice the second element, 2 times T2. And whereas the fifth term T5 is equal to 32. Right. What is the formula? As we know, nth term is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. For third term, it is ar to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into. For second term, it is ar to the power of 2 minus 1. Right. So this is ar square is equal to 2 times ar. So we can cancel one ar. A gets cancelled, r and r gets cancelled. We will get r is equal to 2. The common ratio we are going to get it as 2. Okay. Now here fifth term is nothing but ar to the power of 5 minus 1 is 32. So ar to the power of 4 is equal to 32. Since a is equal to 32 divided by r to the power of 4, 32 divided by, we know what is r is nothing but 2 to the power of 4. 32 divided by 2 raised to 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16, 32 by 16, that's equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2 and r is equal to 2, that's it. Okay. See here, very simple problem. What is given? T3 is equal to 2 times T2. T3 is ar to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2 into T2 is ar to the power of 2 minus 1. Ar square is equal to 2 times ar. 1 ar gets cancelled. R is equal to 2. Common ratio is 2. And T5 is 32 means ar to the power of 5 minus 1 is 4. Ar to the power of 4 is 32. So a is equal to 32 divided by r to the power of 4. Since what is r? Substitute here. R is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16, 32 by 16, 16 to the 32. Now, just r is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2. Now, what is required to find? Then find the geometrical progression. So, we have to find the GP. Okay. Now, the GP is, therefore, the required geometrical progression is, what is GP? ar square, etc. What is a? We have a is equal to 2, r is also equal to 2. This is 2 comma 2 into 2, again 2 into 2 square, etc. That is 2 to the 4. This is 2 into 2 is 4. 2 square is 4. 4 to the 8. So therefore the required GP is 2 comma 4 comma 8, etc. is the required geometrical progression. That's it. Okay. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the three numbers in GP whose sum is 39 and their product is 729. This is very important type of problem. Now, what is given? Find the three numbers in GP whose sum is given. Sum is equal to 39 and their product is 729. Okay. Now, let the three numbers be. Let three numbers be a by r, a and r. Let us consider the three numbers as r, a by r, a and r. What is given? First write down the product. Product is equal to 729. Product means a by r into ar is equal to 729. This r and r gets cancelled. A cube is equal to 729. So therefore a cube can be written as 9 cube. So bases are, yes, powers are same is bases also equal, therefore a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9. On the other hand, what is given? The sum is given. Sum of the numbers. What is sum? Sum is equal to The sum of three numbers is 39. That means sum is A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 39. Substitute the value of 9, A is equal to 9. So 9 by R plus 9 plus 9R is equal to 39. Take LCM here, R is the LCM. 9 plus 9R plus 9R square is equal to 39. Cross multiply this. 9 plus 9R plus 9R square is equal to 39 into R is 39R. Bring this to the left hand side. Then what happens? 9 plus 9R plus 9R square minus 39R. 39 times R is equal to 0. So put it in order. 9R square minus 39 plus 9 is minus 30R plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. You will get a quadratic equation. You can simplify or you can divide by 3. If you divide by 3, what you will get? 3R square minus 30 by 3 is 10R plus 3 is equal to 0. You can simplify this. So this is cross multiply. 3 into R is 3R. So this is 1 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9R. Again 1 into R is R. If you add, you will get minus 10R. Let us represent this as minus. Minus into minus plus. Minus 3 3s are 9R minus R. So the factors are 3R minus 1 into R minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3R minus 1 is equal to 0, R minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 3R is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by 3, R here R is equal to 3. There are two values of R is equal to 3 and 1 by 3. Okay. Now listen. So just you will get a quadratic equation. 9R square minus 30R plus 9 divide by 3. 3R square minus 10R plus 3 is equal to 0. Cross multiply, factorize it. 3R into R is 3R square, minus into minus plus, 3 1s are 3. If you cross multiply, minus 3 3s are 9R minus R. If you add minus 10, minus into minus plus, 3R into R is 3R square, minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10R. The factors are 3R minus 1 into R minus 3. Therefore, R is equal to 1 by 3 and R is equal to 3. So, therefore, when, come to the case 1, when A is equal to 9, R is equal to first value, let us consider 3. Then the three numbers are, what are the numbers we have considered? The three numbers are A by R, A and AR. The three numbers are A by R, A and AR is equal to A 9 by 3, comma 9 into 3. 9 by 3 is 3, 9 3s are 27. So 3, 9, 27 which is in GP. Suppose when second case, when A is equal to 9, R is equal to 1 by 3. Then the three numbers are A by R, 9 divided by 1 by 3, comma A 9, comma 9 into 1 by 3. So this goes to the numerator. 9 3s are 27, 9 3 3s are gets cancelled. So the three numbers are 27, 9 and 3 which is in reverse order. That's it. This is the required GP. 3, 9 and 27 is the required answer. Hope you followed. This is very important for 5 marks. Okay. Now let us come to the last problem in this. Find the three numbers in GP whose sum is 13 by 3 and the product of the extremes is 1. Find the sum of three numbers. Same type problem. Okay. Same as usual. Let the three numbers be. Let the three numbers be A by R, A and AR. Let the three numbers be A by R, A and AR. What is given? Find the numbers in GP whose sum is given. Sum is 13 by 3 and the product of the extremes is 1. The product of the extremes is nothing but these two. Product of what is given? Extremes. Product of extremes means A by R into AR is equal to 1. RR gets cancelled. A square is equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. Now, sum is given. What is sum? Sum is equal to, the sum is 13 by 3. Sum is nothing but A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13 by 3. Now, substitute the value of A. A is equal to 1. Put A is equal to 1. So, 1 by R plus 1 plus r is equal to 13 by 3. Now just transfer this. 1 by r plus r is equal to 13 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 13 minus 3. So 1 by r plus r is equal to 10 by 3. Cross multiply this, you will get the equation. So 1 by r plus r is equal to 10 by 3. 1 by r plus r is equal to 10 by 3. Now take LCM, r is LCM. 1 plus r into r is r square is equal to 10 by 3. Cross multiply. 3 into 1 plus r square is equal to 10r. This is 3 plus 3r square is equal to 10r. Or bring this to the left hand side. 3r square minus 10r plus 3 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. Solve this. 3r square minus 10 into r plus 3 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. As usual, 3r into r, this is 1 3 is a 3. Again this is minus into minus plus, minus 3 3s are 9r, minus 1 into r is minus r. If you add, you will get minus 10r. So the factors are 3r minus 1 into r minus 3 is equal to 0, 3r minus 1 is equal to 0, or r minus 3 is equal to 0. Here r is equal to 1 by 3, or r is equal to 3 you will get. When a is equal to 1, r, let us take r is equal to 1 by 3. The three numbers are a by r, a and ar. So what is a? 1 divided by 1 by 3, 1, and a is 1 into 1 by 3. So this goes to the numerator, 3 comma 1 and 1 by 3. This is the geometrical progression, 3, 1 and 1 by 3. Okay. Now suppose if r is equal to 3, if r is equal to 3, the three numbers are a is 1 by 3 and a is 1 and a is 1, r is 3. The three numbers are 1 by 3, 1 and 3 in reverse order. That's it. Okay. So therefore the required answer is, the three numbers are 3, 1 and 1 by 3 are the required numbers. Okay. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the problems based on a geometrical progression. This is very important type of problems for a 5 marks. So you may expect one type of question from this. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.